Really nice.
It smells really good. But here we've got some amazing fake tan. So this is called Natural Rose. So if you've got a lighter sort of, you know, orangey skin tone,
I feel like I need a bit
this is
of
really
colour
good for
today.
you. Yeah. Get in there.
Wow.
Round it up a bit.
And as you can see, this is fake tan is for
Oh
everybody.
my God, it looks amazing. Look at that.
It is incredible.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Alison, it's giving you that definite
Like, it's
child.
literally evened me out.
Yeah. Fake tan is for everybody, and this just gives you illuminating...
touching yourself like that, doing things to me.
There we go.
This is like the episode of Friends
actually
when Ross went...
It's got aloe vera, hyaluronic acid. It
you know
just
what?
makes you look buttery. It makes you look like buttery.
You know, it's weird because a lot of black people think like we can't wear tan.
It's for
so
everybody.
Can wear tan. Look at that,
Yeah,
guys.
good for your legs, good
Get
for your body.
tan on.
Go on, get in there. Get in there.
involved. Look at that.
That's Amanda
difference.
Harrington. Yeah, it just...
You must take your watch off, otherwise
It
you'll
looks
get...
so much better on that side.
It's
Look,
illuminating,
look at the difference.
fresh, really good for your skin. Love that so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
All skin tones can wear fake tan. It's about giving you that kind of Beyonce, Destiny's Child, I've rubbed butter all over my body look.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Where'd you put it? Did you put it everywhere?
Yeah, top to toe as well,
really?
and it gradually gets warmer and more bronzed as you go along. So this is really nice. They have 3 tones. They have natural rose, a honey, and an olive. But as you can see, Alison's getting stuck in, and it's looking
All the
fabulous.
tones.
All the tones.
I love the smell of it. It's like cookies. Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. And we have Solista Beauty Brightening Instant Facial. I love this, $7.99. This is all about glow, 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 skin, bright, bright, bright. And I love the fact it's got vitamin C, AHA. It's about brightening, not Michael Jackson lightning. So it's about radiance and looking healthy and fresh. So I love that so much. And then we have here